Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a VPN connection from your Android phone to your PC. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. This is a perfect solution for when you want to secure your computer's internet traffic with a VPN. But you either don't have a VPN subscription for your PC, or you want the convenience of managing the connection from your phone. The process involves turning your Android phone into a secure Wi-Fi hotspot that's already protected by your VPN. Before we begin, there are two crucial prerequisites. First, your Android phone must have an active mobile data plan. Second, you need to be connected to a VPN server on your Android device. So, open your preferred VPN app on your phone, log in, and connect to any server location you want. Once your VPN is active and connected on your Android device, the next step is to set up the mobile hotspot. Your phone is now broadcasting a Wi-Fi network that is already routing all its traffic through the VPN connection. Now, you need to install a special app on your Android phone that enables VPN tethering. Open the Google Play Store and search for an app called EveryProxy. Download and install this app on your device. Open the EveryProxy app you just installed. Inside the app, you'll see different protocol options. Look for the one labeled HTTP with a radio button next to it. Click on that button to turn it on. When you enable HTTP proxy, the app will automatically generate and display some crucial information, a proxy host address and a port number, which will typically be 8080. You'll need this information for the next step on your computer, so keep the app open or make a note of these details. Now, let's move over to your Windows PC. Click on the Start menu or the search bar in your taskbar and type Proxy Settings. Open the Proxy Settings menu from the search results. In the Proxy Settings window, scroll down until you find the section called Manual Proxy Setup. Click the Setup button to expand this section. Here, you'll turn on the switch for Use a Proxy Server. Now, enter the information from your EveryProxy app. In the address field, type the proxy host address that the app provided. It will look like a series of numbers separated by dots. In the port field, type 8080 or whatever port number was shown in the app. Make sure you enter this information exactly as shown to avoid any connection errors. Once the details are entered, click Save to apply the settings. The final step is to connect your PC to your phone's internet. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray. Find your phone's hotspot network from the list and connect to it using the password you set. Once your PC is connected to the hotspot, check the EveryProxy app on your phone. It should now show that the connection is active. Your PC's internet traffic is now being routed through your phone's secure VPN connection. And that's it! You have successfully shared your phone's VPN connection with your PC. If you're looking for faster speeds for streaming, a much larger server network, and advanced features like malware protection, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. It's a more powerful service that also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free. Try it for 30 days using the link below.